Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix the throttle issue. It just keeps throttling down. It won't stay where you put it. RPMs fall. So I'll start and show you what it's doing. Now you throttle it up. Won't even stay. Won't hold. Very simple fix. I'll show you how to do it. First, you're going to remove this screen with this one knob. And all you do is, once you got that knob off, just pull this off. Here's your throttle right here. You can see the cable coming into this linkage. I don't know if you can see that, but there's one nut on this, and I can tell it needs tightened. Okay, I think you can see that nut now, right here. And you're just going to turn that one nut, kind of hold this up here. I'm going to pull a little slack out of the cable by starting and just hold that and turn this clockwise. I believe this is a 12 millimeter wrench. Now you're not going to tighten it all the way, but that was really loose. That's pretty tight. That turns really tight, so just turn that back a little bit. That's better, but I think we can loosen it a little bit. There we go. I'll start it and we'll see how that holds.
Update, watch to the end. This solved the issue temporarily. The throttle drift returned after a little use, and I discovered that there is supposed to be another nut to lock the nut I adjusted in place.
That's holding real well there. There you go now. We'll show you.
Again, it turns out that a second nut is required to keep the first nut in place.
But if you do find that as you're using it, it starts to drift back, that throttle drifts down, just tighten that one nut just a little bit right here. Very simple, and I think it is a well, yeah, that's 12 millimeter wrench. Hey, if this was a helpful video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, leave comments. It'd be appreciated. Thanks for watching.
Keep watching. This fix was temporary.
But before I claim success on that, I want to take it out, run it up and down, bounce around a little bit, and see if that stays up. Because I have a feeling there's supposed to be another nut on that to keep it from doing that, because after you're pulling it back and forth, it's probably going to loosen again. So if that's the case, I'll find another nut, because I have a feeling there used to be one on there, to back that one up, tighten them against each other so that don't come undone again. Yeah, I think it needs another nut on there. It does. I don't know if you can tell it there, but it is still slowly drifting down. A lot better than it was, but I don't think it's. I think it's just going to keep getting looser the more you use that throttle lever. So anyway, I'm going to find a nut and back that one up, and I think we'll be fine. But it's definitely a lot better than it was. When you're sitting still, it seems to be staying, but I do think I want to look it up, but I have a feeling there's supposed to be another nut on that.
Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.
I don't know if you could hear that, but anyway, yes, needs another nut in addition to the nut that we tightened, and that will tighten those together and keep them from backing off so quick and loosening the throttle.
Thanks for watching.
This is working a lot better. I know, I'm pretty certain that's the issue. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and help me grow my channel. Thanks for watching.